Hi friends, welcome back to Afrofusion Food. So today we're making a solid meal, which is the sweet potatoes. So are you looking forward to maintaining your weight or reducing your weight? This is a good meal for you. It's a nice recipe you would love. So we've boiled our sweet potatoes. So now we'll just bring it out of the skin. We bring them out one after the other now. We cooked it at a moderate level. It's not too soft and it's not hard, because if it is too soft and it's watery, it won't be good, it won't be tasty. So you just cook it to the minimal level and then you bring them out of the skin. You cook it with the skin because it adds more tasty nutrient to it, and yeah. Is where you watching my video from? Please comment, subscribe, thumbs up the video, and please share me out. So now we match it. We try to match the potatoes. Now I'll be coming in with olive oil. That's a spoon of olive oil coming in there. And yeah, I'm adding black pepper to that. We're going to add a bit of black pepper and then we match it. We match it smooth. If you're being conscious of your weight or of your health, I tell you, this channel is where you should glue yourself to, because there are lovely recipes on this channel. We all are maintaining our health, maintaining our look, our weight. So all of this recipe I'll be sharing on this, I've been sharing, that I will still be sharing, are recipes that will benefit you if you're on a weight loss journey. So I added a little bit of butter, like a spoon of butter also. So we press it together and mix it together. So I'll be serving this meal with my ultimate salad, which comprises of cabbage, cucumber, carrots, and cheese. So I have my snail there, and I have the sauce already also that I will be topping it up on the potatoes. So you enjoy your meal. I hope you loved it. This is so delicious and satisfying. Thank you for watching. We see us in the next one. Stay blessed. Comment, share me out, and subscribe. Bye.